Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a chit chat, casual, relaxed favorites video. I have a lot of things over here. Actually, I can incorporate a lot more stuff, but I feel like that will be too overwhelming. So I have some of my really absolutely favorite things from April, actually March and April combined together, and all of these things I really swear by at the moment. I also have some summer tops for you guys that I absolutely swear by, that I've been wearing like every single day non-stop. Well, I have makeup items and all this kind of stuff. So let's quickly get started. How is your May going, guys? I feel like half of the year तो ऐसे ही pass हो गया है, and I just don't even realize कि 2025 कब आया and कब it is like almost the mid of the year really, and it did not really start on a very good note. I mean, if you have seen my previous video, बहुत अच्छा start नहीं था for me, and I don't know why. There is something, I think it is lifing basically, and it is not always the best, it is not always the worst, and it's just that, you know, it's your choice to be happy. Sometimes you have to choose over a lot of things, and you know, I am constantly making an effort to be very conscious with my you know, choices, and I'm choosing health and I'm choosing happiness over anything else. So that has been my constant choice. I mean, that was my one resolution for 2025, is to actually get back in shape, which I'm like kind of in the process of, and like I am trying to eat healthy, and I'm trying to work out, kind of incorporate workout maybe 3 times a week, and do some weights and stuff, plus some cardio. So that's what I'm doing, but I'm not very consistent with it. It's like 3 days a week I'm very good, and then the remaining of the days it's like you know, not so good. But I'm very proud of myself, because since January, even though I took a break of like 2-3 weeks in between, but I managed to get back on track like pretty soon. And I think it's very normal. I don't think everybody's, you know, workout journey or healthy, you know, lifestyle journey can be consistent like this forever. It can't be a constant thing forever. It goes up and down, you know, but you just have to balance it out. If it goes down, you don't have to stop it there. You just have to, you know, get up again and, you know, show up and, you know, start being consistent. At least try. That's what I do. I just try. Sometimes it is just a workout of 15 minutes, because I work out at home. I don't go to a gym and stuff, because it is sort of very difficult to kind of voluntarily get up and work out, and discipline is actually a big issue when you don't have to step out. So I'm very proud of myself for whatever I've achieved in these like almost 5-ish months, and I have lost 5 kgs of weight, which is like something that I can say on the scale, but my body is not toned yet. So I'm in the process of doing that, and it just makes me feel happy. Working out is good, guys. But that is, of course, one of my most favorite things. Even if I'm feeling down and out, I just, you know, start working out. Some cardio, some jumping jacks, and all these things actually not really make me feel happy, but kind of distracts you from the tensions of the day sort, you know. So let's quickly get started with today's video, guys. I want to start with talking about watches. Now, from past few videos, I've been kind of switching or changing my watches. I'm really glad you guys noticed. So a lot of you did ask me questions कि ये white watch कहाँ से है, ये black watch कहाँ से है, and because these are still available online, I thought I'll share it with you. This is a Guess watch, and it has G written over here. I'm not a big fan of, you know, brand logos and stuff, and that's the reason I kind of stayed away from it for the longest time. But I thought, you know, it is sitting in my closet, my watch dabba, and it's not doing anybody any favor. So I thought might as well just use it. But it's really nice, a beautiful summer watch. It has a rubber wala, you know, strap, which is very good quality, and the watch looks really nice with all my white. Even I wear it with black, guys. I love black and white combination any day. Black and white is a very classy combination, so I always wear this watch, especially for the summers. I feel like it's really good. It is white and gold, and I feel like white goes with every single thing, and I love this watch very much. So the next watch is a Fossil watch. So whenever I'm wearing black, which I do all the time, I like to kind of, you know, match. I don't like matchy things, but sometimes, you know, I want to wear a black watch with a black top or something, and I really like this Fossil watch. It has like you know, Jerkin studding all around here on the periphery of the dial, and I think this is a 32 mm dial, and it's a beautiful watch. It's really nice. It's very pretty, very classy, and it has this metallic strap, you know, metallic strap. It's beautiful. It looks really chic and nice, and I think this is a classic design which never goes out of style, and Fossil can never go wrong with watches. It's their forte, guys. I love Fossil watches, and this is also available, so I'll leave link of both of these in the description box below. This black and white combination is really nice. I really like it. So sometimes I wear white with my black tops, and sometimes I wear black with my black tops. Sometimes I wear white with white, and it's just a nice combination. So for the time being, I'm giving rest to my golden watches, but I'm wearing a golden watch. This is by Daniel Wellington. This is also a very nice watch. I'm not going to lie. It's a beautiful watch. I'm also wearing their bracelet for a change. This, bracelet. It's very nice. Like, I love this combination. So yeah, Daniel Wellington watches are really nice, but these two are my favorite from past 2 months, and this video is all about that. Now, talking about shades. So it's very hot in Delhi right now, and one day I decided to wear my shades, and I picked out this. Is from H&M, guys, and I purchased it I think some 6 years back, and it is just such an awesome shade, and it is such a beautiful sunglass. It's a round sunglass with muted gold hardware. I think this kind of design is still available, but it looks so chic. It is no nonsense, no drama, no cat eye, no bold flashy sunglasses. Just it is just there. It's just so beautiful. I just love these kind of understated sunglasses, which are just no drama, no nonsense. Even though I would appreciate wearing those kind of sunglasses, the bold, big, funky ones, I would love that. But this is the one that I feel like never goes out of style. So if you are confused in 2 minds, you can pick up one of these and you will never go wrong with any attire that you wear. This almost always fits. So this is my favorite number 1 these days. Lotions. I wear lotions every single day after my shower. Foxtail. I tried it for the first time. If you've not seen my body lotion for summer videos, you can definitely watch it. I'll leave an iCard over here. This one is very good, guys. Not just the packaging, the exterior, the color. It's just so beautiful. But the actual moisturizer is so good. I'm almost done with it and smells so good. But more than that, it is thick, it is creamy, it is very nourishing and moisturizing. If you're very dry, like I have very dry ankles, and this is kind of a treatment. It's a very good moisturizer, guys. Very good body lotion, not moisturizer. But it nourishes the skin really well. It thoroughly, deeply hydrates you. It quenches the thirst of the body if you have a very dry skin. I'm not even joking. Try this one out. It's really nice, and because it has a pump, it's so convenient. It just sits on the table, and me being me, coming and going, I'll just squirt a pump and I'll just rub it on my hands. I'm just so addicted to this one. Foxtail Deep Moisture Body Lotion. I'm going to buy more of this, maybe this one, and I think there are more variants in this one. This one is Aqua Plunge. Love it so much. Please give this one a go if you're into body lotions. Very good, very hydrating, very nourishing, especially for the night time. I feel like it does really good for my feet. Actually, it's very nice. Moving on to foundation, guys. I have been very vocal about my Turtle cushion foundations, and the more I use it, the more I love it. And you will not even believe, but I've finished one big tub of this one. This is very nice. I'm in the shade 29N, but I have struggled to find my shade. The first shade that I picked up was this one. This is a smaller one, and thank God I picked up the smaller one. I went with 24W. So warm is actually too warm. So if you have a warmer skin undertone, go with the neutral one, because the neutral from Turtle is also very warm. So this one is too yellow for me and also lighter for me, because I go out every single day in the afternoon to pick Sikandar from school. So my skin is slightly tan, so this one doesn't really work for me. But I am 30N was a good match, but 30N is slightly deeper than my skin tone, but I do use it once in a while. You can see how much dent I've done in this one. But 29N is my actual shade. It's a new foundation because I want to keep a backup. There's already one running because I did my makeup right now, and I have two of 29N. This one is a fresh one, beautiful mirror, and this one I don't use. I apply my foundation with a brush. I just find that more convenient. And this is a very nice cushion foundation. This one is absolutely new, guys, so I'm not even opening it because I already have 129N in the running. But this is how it looks like, and it has foundation inside of it, and I just dip my brush in and I just apply it it and just gives a good coverage. It's lightweight, it works in humidity and heat, and it is just so perfect. I don't think I'm going to find a better foundation than this one, even though a L'Oreal ka Infallible foundation is always my favorite. That 72-hour wear one foundation is really, really nice. Love that. But this one is very good. If you've not yet tried it, I think you should. But you know, try your shade. If it is available in Nykaa store, try your shade, because getting the shade right is actually a task with this Turtle Cushion foundation. I absolutely love it. I think I've already featured a Turtle Cushion foundation in a previous video of mine, a favorites video. And again, this one is in my April favorite because this is the only one that I'm wearing and I just love it so much. And so if you wear foundation on a regular basis, this is the one that you can try because it's very, very handy. It just goes in a bag, keep a brush, or you can use that puff or that, you know, applicator that comes with it, and it's just super convenient. Beautiful mirror, beautiful application. Perfect, you know, for Indian climate. I feel like it's really nice. I can go on talking about it. It's just wonderful, guys. Moving on to a concealer. So you guys know I love Maybelline's concealer, that age rewind one. That's amazing, that eraser. Second is L'Oreal. So I've spoken like almost 1,000 times about those concealers, and there's no match for those concealers. They're the best concealers in the whole wide world for me. For Lancome concealer, I've again found love for this one. Like, I tried using it again in the summer and beautiful. It is ultra wear all over concealer. I don't know if this is the shade. It is called as BIS bracket mein N, BIS N, I don't know, but this is a very nice concealer. It has a slightly orangish tint to it, so it color corrects as well, and as well as gives brightness and conceals the darker areas, basically the under eyes for me. It's really nice. It's very, very lightweight. It spreads really nicely on, and it is almost full coverage concealer. It's very nice. Lancome concealer. It's just on the pricier end, so I use it sparingly. But how sparingly can you use it? It's going to go bad, so might as well just use it. Will I purchase it again? Yes, if my pocket permits, I would definitely. But yes, L'Oreal, there's no match for it. That will always be in my vanity, but this one is a splurge once in a while, and it is definitely a splurge that is worth it. Moving on to nail paints. So I did tell you guys about the nail paints that I purchased very recently, and in such a short time they actually became my favorite. I'm wearing it on my nails, and I'm wearing nail paints since then every single day, so you can obviously tell that I'm really liking it. So this is definitely a favorite. If you've not tried René nail paints, guys, you should definitely try. They are doing some good job with the nail paint. So this is the Metallicious nail paint. I'm not going to talk a lot about it because I've already spoken a lot in my previous video. It's a beautiful, you know, forest green color. I think it's such a perfect color for the summer. You have to try this out. This for $149, and trust me, you will not regret. Just buy this and you'll be so happy. If you like colors in nail paints, like this is light, beautiful light green, and it's very metallic-y, very shiny, very beautiful. I love this color, and if I had my way and if nail paints never dried, I would hoard up on this beautiful green color. And because of this green color, I've started loving green color so much, like those cushions. And then I also ordered a bed cover. Like, green is my favorite right now. This green, this sage sort of a beautiful pine green color. Red one I bought from René, which I did not show because this order was in transit. I got it. This is a Metallicious one, but I didn't really like it that much. Like, generally I don't like red nail paints, and this is a red color. If you love red nail paints, it's a beautiful shiny metallic-y red. You will spot it really nicely if you love red nail paints. I'm not so much of a red nail paint person, so I have to figure out to gift this one to someone. But this one I really like. This is in the shade light chestnut. It's beautiful. It's sparkly. It's beautiful. It's sort of a lavender color plus silver color, and it's just super beautiful. So I'm really, really loving René nail paints, and this is Vegas Gold, I think, by René, and it's a beautiful muted gold color. It's just so perfect. Like, René nail paints, I'm so glad I tried them, and it is just for $149, and it's just so beautiful. Moving on to a lip balm. I'm a sucker for lip balms. I love my Maybelline lip balm, so that is my all-time favorite. So with that aside, I'm going to talk about this one. This is a Forest Essential lip balm, guys. I tried it for the first time. I got hooked onto it, and it is like luxury on your lips, like literally luxury on your lips. When you apply it, it's like thin as air, but it gives you that beautiful hydration. It's like a lip oil, but it is so lightweight and smells divine. Honestly, this can work as a solid perfume as well, but this is what it is. It's a beautiful rosy pink color. However, it's not going to give you that pink tint on the lips, but it is just so beautiful. It comes with a beautiful mirror and you have to apply it with your fingers, but it is such a beautiful lip balm. Like, it's like a jewel case. I'm not going to get rid of this beautiful, you know, casing of the lip balm. It's just so beautiful. I can endlessly go on talking about this one. It is perfect. It smells so nice. It just gives the lip some beautiful gloss. And the fragrance, my God, is just going to make your day. It's a beautiful rose fragrance. That authentic, luxurious, rich rose fragrance. It's beautiful, guys. I mean, hands down, one of my most favorite lip balms like of 2025. Moving on to a perfume which is my favorite, I'm wearing it every single day since April. Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Blush. It's a beautiful fragrance. I've spoken about this perfume so many times on my channel and I just cannot get over this. I have used 3 bottles of this one, like not used. I've used 1 full bottle. This is almost nearing completion and I have a new perfume of Carolina Herrera as a backup. This Good Girl Blush. It smells divine. It smells exotic. It's beautiful for the summer. It smells like a lady and it's very delicate, very floral, powdery, warm, beautiful fragrance for the summer. I just get a feeling if Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella or Rapunzel had a perfume, it would be this one. Like if fairies had a perfume, it would be their signature fragrance. It just smells like a fairy tale, fairyland. It smells dreamy, magical. It's a beautiful fragrance. If you have not tried Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Blush, then honestly you're missing out on something in life. It is very good. So when I recently purchased a backup of this one, I got this perfume as a gift, free gift, and it is a tester. It is 10 ml bottle. It's a proper spray bottle. This is 212 VIP Rosé by Carolina Herrera, and this one also smells divine, guys. It is a little deeper. This one is a milder and a lighter fragrance. This one is a deeper fragrance. It is sensual, like Lancome's Idole. This one is like that, on the similar lines. Different, but on similar lines. It is deeper. It is slightly more overwhelming and so much out there in the first spray, but it gets milder over time. But it smells so beautiful. It is floral with a hint of powderiness into it, and I feel like this specific powderiness is the characteristic of Carolina Herrera's mostly all the perfumes. It is a very beautiful powderiness. I cannot explain it. I'm actually considering trying a full bottle of this one, which is 212 VIP Rosé one. It smells really nice. I love this one as well. So both of these I am kind of layering sometimes, but sometimes I'm wearing them individually. But both of these are actually my picks every single day since April. It's a beautiful summer fragrance, honestly. So guys, those were all the beauty and body care stuff that I wanted to talk about in my favorites video. So now I'm going to switch on to some tops. Like I just have one top but 3 different colors. Basically this is a very nice top. I have been wearing it non-stop as well. Like I went to the mall the other day, I wore it. Like if I'm confused, I'll wear it because it's just so perfect for the summer. And I have 2 colors in this one. I have this black color and I have a green color in this one as well. As I told you, I'm developing a fondness for a certain green color, which is that pine green color. I just love that. I just love that color so much. That beautiful sage color, you know. Then I really like this top from Zara. It's a beautiful blush pink color. It has a boat neck and it is just like ribbed top. But this for $12.50. This is still available on Zara's website. It is available in their store and it comes in 3 colors and it has such a beautiful fitting. For some reason, you know, it just gives me a flat ab illusion. I just love myself in this top and it's just very modest. It's sleeveless but the neck is not very deep and all, and it's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful top. So because I love this blush pink one so much and I wore it like every single day non-stop, I thought I will get some more colors and I picked up black. Of course I love black, so mujhe black lena hi tha, so I got this one and I'm wearing this also non-stop. This is like very similar, but this is a round neck and this one is a boat neck, and it is such a good fabric for the summer and it looks very flattering on me. I'm size medium, by the way. It looks very nice. So when I got the black one, I thought why to leave white one behind, and I picked up this white one, even though I've not worn it yet. But it is such a beautiful top. Like it's beautiful. It's modest. It's just very nice. It's just very nice. So I got all the 3 colors. I really like those tops so much, guys. They're very comfortable, and I feel like Zara should come out with more colors in those, but you know, they're really beautiful. And then I've been living in skirts lately, so I picked up this skirt from H&M. I picked it up like in March, I believe. Long time back actually, and I've been wearing it like non-stop. It is very comfortable. It's for $14.99, and during the sale it was for around 1200 something. And it's very comfortable, guys. It's very pretty. It has this faux skirt thing flap in the front, 2 pockets on the sides, which is actually functional, and a zipper at the back here in the middle. It's very beautiful. It comes in 3 colors, a lighter blue, a deeper blue, which is this one, and also a white one. It's just so perfect, so comfortable. So if you're a girl who loves to wear shorts, it's very nice because it just hides this part, but it gives you that comfort of shorts as well. It's very nice. I just love it. And then another skirt. It's not a short, it's a skirt. Another skirt from Zara that I recently picked, actually last month. It's this one. It's a ripped one. It's beautiful. I love this. I love this so much, and I went for the size medium, even though it is slightly loose on me, but it is super comfortable and it looks super chic, and not really chic, but it looks very cool, and it looks very nice with this top on. So I love this attire for the summer. So that is the thing that I wanted to show you guys for this favorites video of mine. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, here is the scanning thing. You can scan it and reach my Instagram page and follow me there and be my friend over there. Instagram is a little bit more personal, and you will find my every day-to-day stuff on Instagram. And I'm going to be very happy and thankful if you be a part of my beautiful family here on YouTube. Just subscribe to my channel, press onto that subscribe button. It's totally free of cost, and hit onto that bell notification as well, because that will give you updates on my future videos. And if you have liked this video, guys, please do not forget to hit that like button, and in the comment section below, please tell me which is your favorite thing, because I would love to know that. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.